Hi, in this video we will see how to download and install Anaconda on your Windows computer. So at first we have to go to Anaconda website. We can write google.com, and once we are in the Google site we can type Anaconda and hit enter key, and then the Anaconda website will be at the top. So we just need to click here. This is the official website of Anaconda, anaconda.com. So from here we have to download, and after downloading we need to install Anaconda. So to download Anaconda, at first we need to click the downloads on the top right side, this link. So I'm going to click here and the download page will be appeared here. So from here we need to download Anaconda. So once you are in this page, you have to accept, you have to click accept this button, then this bar will be disabled. Then just go down a little below and you will see there are two versions of Anaconda. One is Python 2.7 version supported, and there is Python 3.7 version. Python 2.7 is obsolete, so we are not going to install this one. So we'll think about this version, Python 3.7, and from here we need to download this version. Now we need to check which versions of our operating system, either 64-bit or 32-bit. If you don't know the operating system version, you can open your Explorer, and from there you can go to your computer, my computer, and then right click and then click properties, and it will show you whether your computer is 32-bit or 64-bit version. So here you will see under system tab it is 64-bit. So basically for this download we need to use 64-bit. If you see 32-bit, then just download 32-bit versions of Anaconda with Python 3.7 version. As my computer operating system is 64-bit supported versions, so I'm going to choose this 64-bit version. So I need to download this one, and I just click on top of it 64-bit and it will start downloading, and you'll see the download will start and it will show in the bottom of your browser. Once Anaconda is downloaded completely, go to the install location. So for my case, the installer location is under downloads, and if we go to downloads we'll see that this is the desired installer which we downloaded just now. So to run this thing, I mean to install it, we just need to double click, or we can do right click and then we can right click and then we can choose open to start the installation. And once you click open, then it will take few seconds and it will come this type of window. This is the first page of Anaconda installation, and it shows that welcome to Anaconda 3 and 2020.2 64-bit setup. So here is two button, one is next and cancel. To continue the installation we have to click the next button, so I'm going to click next button. Once I click next button, then it will come to the license agreement page, and there is something related there about the Anaconda license related stuff. And then we have to agree to start installation. So I'm going to hit the I agree button, and once we hit I agree button, then it will show you two things: one is just me or all users. Select the installation type. There are two types of installation, whether this is only for me or all user. You can choose any of these options. Just me means only you can use Anaconda, and all user means anybody can use this Anaconda version. Okay, so I'm going to click next to go to the next step of installation. Now it is asking me what will be the destination folder of this Anaconda installation. Right now the default is C users, then my username, then Anaconda 3. But if you want to choose some other location to install that, you can also click browse and you can choose the file or folder location how you want to install. So I'm going to ignore this thing. I'm going to hit cancel button, and then it is also showing two other information like space required 3 GB, and I have this much space required. So before going to install, be careful about that, whether your computer has enough space to install it or not. If it doesn't have enough space, it will not be installed. Now click on the next button to go to the next step of the installation. So I'm going to hit next button, and then it will come this is skin advanced installation option. Okay, so here add Anaconda to my path environment variable, or register Anaconda as my default Python 3.7. So you can check mark this thing, or if you wish you can also do this thing. Okay, and then hit the install button to start the installation. You may click like show details to see the details, but if you don't click, then it doesn't matter. The installation will start now, and it will take some time. It's a lengthy process, be patient. So I prefer just drink a cup of coffee and then come back till it finish the installation. It takes like 6 to 10 minutes based on the performance of your computer. And once the installation is finished, then it will give you one confirmation message, and it will stop over there, and then you can come back and you can start the installation after that. just to finish. Once the Anaconda installation is completed, then you will find this message, installation complete and setup was completed successfully. Then hit the next button to go to the next step. Once again hit the next button to complete the installation, and you will find this type of confirmation message that completing Anaconda installation successful. And there is two checkbox. We don't need to keep the checkbox. We can uncheck both of them and then click on the finish button to complete our installation. I just clicked on the finish button and it will close the window, and that means the Anaconda installation is complete successfully. To verify the Python, we can click on the start menu, and then from here we can click on the Anaconda prompt to open the Anaconda prompt window. So it is a black window, and from here we can type Python to access the Python shell, and you'll see the Python version is there. And then we can type some Python command to check whether Python is working properly or not. So I'm going to type a simple print line command by typing print, and then inside it I can write some message like hello few steps, something like that. Okay, and once I type this line, then press enter key to check whether it is working properly or not, and we are seeing it is printing the message like hello few steps. So that means our Python installation is completely successful with Anaconda, and hopefully by watching this video you are able to install Anaconda and Python all together. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and share with others. Thank you for watching.